是 toilet 啊，我去 toilet 先。
Hello everyone, today we are at Ocean Park and this is part 4 of the tour around Ocean Park. In front of us on the right that is the pirate ship. Are you a fan of the pirate ship? Would you want to ride this? That is the roller coaster here at Ocean Park, but today it is not operating, so maybe it's because it's quite cold or maybe the crowd has not arrived yet. It's one of the most amazing views here. We are quite high up here. I'm searching for the toilet, so now I'm going to go up here and check out where's the toilet. Slightly hungry also. If you're coming to Ocean Park, one of the things you have to be prepared is there's lots and lots of walking. So we've been walking quite a lot for the whole morning up to this point. It's in the afternoon at the moment. This is such a nice statue here. I love skulls, anything that has skeletons. Ferris wheel is quite a fun ride. That is the Ocean Park Tower. Later we're going to go and ride it. Here are some of the fun games that you can play here at Ocean Park with your family to win some gifts. This is a game where you basically pay to get lots of balls and you throw to this middle section, and if it lands on the colored ones, you get a prize if I'm not mistaken. the crowds might have begun to pick up. There are lots of people here now. This is the next ride that I'm going to go and ride. It's quite fun. So you sit on these chairs and the whole thing turns and then you fly up.
Hello，你在做什么？那我们在这个 flying 的，因为坐飞机就不要在那跑飞起啊，就飞掉哦。
I did not get to film it while it was moving up because they restricted since there may be a risk of the camera flying away.
There right 做这个，会飞哦，
很快吗？
会很快。我有装着 safety 在手上，
装 safety 头。
哎，
哦。
会飞到也是 OK。
So there are lots of people coming to the park. It is a bit later in the afternoon, and now we're heading to this Ocean Park Tower. And this ride is quite a fun ride. It's family friendly, and you can look at the 360 view of the area around here.
Sea jelly spectacular.
Có chỗ là hay có tay chinh mà.
进下嚟，
明咯。
即 Ocean Park。Anything you want？
我差唔多你都唔。
啊，这个上去啊，
啊？
这个上去 Ocean Express。
翻嚟做。
站啊。哎。
Here we are. This is the Ocean Park Tower ride. The queue here is still alright. Not too long.
好像后面有一个最后一个 attraction 可以去的，
什么来？
走去看。
It's time to head into the 360 view of the Ocean Park Tower. This is what it looks like inside. So you basically sit here, and then later once it goes up into space, so you can see everything around you. Up we go now. We're going to look at the 360 view of Ocean Park, as well as all the islands and a lot of beautiful scenery here in Hong Kong. In front of us now, that is where all the extreme rides are located, all the roller coaster, all the things that get your adrenaline rushing. Alright, so this vlog will end here very soon, so to catch the next part of Ocean Park. Ocean Park is a big place, so it takes lots of different parts just to show you most of the whole experience here at Ocean Park. It is worth to visit with your family. Oh.
爽吗？冷气房的。肯定你最喜欢是冷的地方哦。
去哪里比较近？
啊？
东海是龙岗。
红宫。
对吧？
嗯。一样。
哦，因为次二点会赶了。
嗯，又难找花灯吃。这边很多。
水包？
那边。
啊？
这边。哦，seal。不一样，fresh smell。
哦，好可爱，可以摸它。南海澳。哦。我第一个。
怎么样啊？可以这样冷哦？
啊？
可以在这样冷的情况哦？不懂哦，是哦。